Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's talk about how to add AliExpress products to WooCommerce. So you need to install Dropshipping plugin since WooCommerce doesn't connect to AliExpress by itself. And the most popular option is Deezers. So go to your WordPress dashboard, then search for Deezers in the plugins section, install it and activate it. After that, you will need to create free Deezers account and connect it to both your WooCommerce store and your AliExpress account. Once everything is connected, you can start importing products. So go to AliExpress, find the product that you like, and use Deezers Chrome extension to add it directly into your Deezers account. Inside Deezers, you can edit the product name, description, images, and set your own prices. And when you are ready, just push the product from Deezers into WooCommerce and it will appear live on your store. From that point, Deezers will automate your orders. So when a customer buys from your WooCommerce store, Deezers places the order with your chosen AliExpress supplier, fills in the customer's shipping details, and gives you tracking updates. You don't have to touch the product and your inventory because everything is handled automatically between AliExpress and Deezers. So that's it, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.